Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabina and this is my February 2022 newsletter video blog summary. This month I continued to heal from my shoulder procedure. This was to alleviate pain in my left shoulder. I managed to attend the IKEA Live Lagom upcycling session. I attended 3 webinars of Choose the World You Want, Fairtrade Fortnight Festival, and I managed to attend a Zoom webinar called Anti-Racism in the Anti-Sweatshop Movement with Labour Behind the Label and Mayisha Begum. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video for you next month. Take care, bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.